Hello guys, in this session we have to discuss about how to create batches and what are the protocols regarding creating batches, right? So how can you proceed? Let's see one by one. So creating batches, first of all, we have to go like a variable in SQL Server. So are used to ways to store values during execution are declared by using the declare statement. Means once we declare the variable for the batches, we have to write a declare statement have their names and predicted by the at the rate symbol. I mean, suppose I'm creating variable like suppose at the rate employee ID. So I will put at the declare first, then at the rate employee ID, and then data type. Suppose employee ID integers, I give it integer. Suppose I'm writing employee name. So again declare here, declare at the rate employee name and data type like char or varchar. So same like that, you can going to proceed rest of the variable. So declare you have to use then variable name with the at the rate sign, then data type. Data type it can be based on the requirement. A batches use the print statement to display user defined messages and value of variable. So once you want to display the output, you have to use a print statement. Okay. You can also use comments entities in the following ways like multiple line comments entity you have to use slash asterisk class single line comments you have to double hyphenation like as usual you guys using right. Then go to the next guidelines for creating batches. Like while creating batches you need to consider the following restrictions. So what are the restrictions? Let's see here. You cannot pull the result like rules and default to column and use them in the same batches, right? What do you mean default? Like I taught you guys default constraint. Default constraint like suppose you are creating default constraint. Suppose you set the salary for employee 10,000. So you're going to fill for all the employee 10,000. Suppose you're hiring the fresh batch for any team for any project, right? So in that case you can use the default constraint. So that's to say we can't bind the rules and default to column and use them the same batches. You can't define the check constraint in the same batches. Okay, check constraint, what check constraint does here? Check constraints here going to define like putting the set of rules like we put it like a age for employees. Suppose age greater than 18, so you can't enter less than 18 in that. Okay, you're going to enter the less than 18. In that case it will show you error. Okay, clear? You can't drop the objects and recreate them in the same batches. Means it's not possible like you can't drop it, okay, and recreate it in the same batches. You can't alter the table by adding the column and then refer to the new column in the batches and created earlier. Okay, so in next video we are going to see how to create practically, how to create a script, how to create batches. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much.